If you're looking for a luxury house in a gated community with security, but you don't want to drive 20-25 minutes up a dirt road, this is the property for you. We are right now in the South Pacific coast of Costa Rica on a newly gated community. It's brand new. There's only 2 houses on it. We're gonna go see them right now. We are here on the first house right here, and then the other house is right there. It's not finished yet. This one is finished. The grounds, however, are not. Beautiful pool right here, jacuzzi for 10 people with a beautiful ocean view. Four lounge chairs right here. We have a fire pit right there. Concrete sitting area. So you can be sitting here enjoying the fire pit and the pool jacuzzi, the view. Beautiful. Imagine at night. This is amazing. This is actually not just a fire pit. This is a barbecue grill. We have 2-bedroom at the end, and we have 2-bedroom right here. One upstairs, one downstairs. They're all en suite. They are very much similar, all of them. And look at the beautiful kitchen right here. Living room. Very wide open, high-end appliances. We have water here, and then we have this. The table in front with the ocean view, but also table on the back terrace with a beautiful mountain view through the branches. Those cables are going to be all gone very soon. Let's go see the bedrooms right now. So we have one there, one that goes upstairs from the outside. We have this one right here, and then the hallway leads to the last one. This right here is my favorite. It's in the middle of the property, beautiful ocean view. They all have beautiful ocean view. King bed, hardwood made for this house, and then the closet on the back. And beautiful bathroom as well. Beautiful high-end laundry. We have storage. Mauricio, say hi.
Hey,
Have a bat right here. And then we're back in the living room kitchen. Look at the ceiling. This is high ceiling. Lots of glass, lots of windows, lots of light. This is another bedroom. This is also very spacious. Windows on the back, king size bed, little chairs right here. They all have a TV. Chairs on the terrace as well. Beautiful ocean view. Look at the grounds. This is very nice. There's gonna be a little waterfall, man-made waterfall down there. And this is the entrance to the gated community. And we have the gate's gonna be there and the guard house is gonna be there as well. Whoop. Again, king size bed. Bathroom, same exact concept, TV right here, but this one has a terrace and the view down to the pool. This house is really well built. It's all concrete. Everything is done locally. All the artwork, all furniture of the house comes included. The lounge chairs in front of the last bedroom. Let's go see that one. Look at this. This is a little bit more spacious because you have the windows on the back. Beautiful bathroom as well. So a little bit more about this house. It is 7,500 square foot of living space. That includes inside and terrace as well. Everything outside that is covered here in Costa Rica is considered as living space. The property is 1.8 acres of land. It goes all the way from the gate of the community all the way to this ridge and a little bit past the ridge. It's a beautiful size of property. We are very close to the beaches as well. As you see, we're, close to the ocean. So we have Playa Tortuga, which is right in front of Ojochal. It's about 14 minutes away. We have the beaches from here all the way to Dominical that are just amazing. There's 9 beaches that are from here to Dominical. They are amazing. And Uvita is about 25 minutes from here. So you can do your grocery there, or you can go also south to Palmar, which is about 20 minutes as well from here. The hospital is only 10 minutes away. We saw pretty much everything here on this property. We're gonna go see the next one right there. So this one is not finished. It's about 2 months away from being finished. It is a 5-bedroom, all ensuite, beautiful ocean view as well. Very nice living space. Beautiful. It's actually really, really big. First room right here is the master bedroom. We have living room, kitchen, again in one place. And then we have 2 bedrooms, one downstairs, one upstairs. And then we have another 2 bedrooms, one downstairs and one upstairs. This is gonna be the pool. And look at the view. Beautiful valley and ocean view. We have a little bit more of a west view on this one. Kitchen here, living room. And then we have the terrace on the back. And right here we have the terrace in the front. Pool right there. Beautiful ocean view. And when we go back right here, so this is, material that they use to build the property. This is a little carport right there. Beautiful, very spacious. Let's go to the master bedroom. This right here is the master bedroom with beautiful ocean view. And then bathroom right here. So this is gonna be bathroom, you know, double sink, shower, and then right here, this is gonna be walk-in closet. How about that? Beautiful. Okay, here is gonna be a small half bath with ocean view as well. You know, when you use the pool, that's gonna be very useful. This is the laundry. And back in the kitchen, high ceiling kitchen and living room. First, ground floor bedroom. This one has ocean view, obviously. Bathroom is the same as the one on the other house. That's gonna have a closet right here. So same as the other house. We go on the bedroom on the back. So those are a little bit bigger, okay? But they don't have ocean view. They have mountain view. Beautiful mountain view. We have the bathroom on the back, so same concept as well. This is beautiful. Second story. What a view. This is great. Then mountain view, and then mountain view, and then more mountain view. And then, this is nice. A bit of ocean and valley view and on this side as well. And that's gonna be, you know, you could plant some fruit trees here, about 3 or 4. That's gonna be great. Or a little rancho with a couple of hammocks. This is amazing. Same thing right here. The same exact bathroom for the 4 guest rooms that are here. They're all ensuite. They all have their own bathroom. It's the same concept for everything. This is amazing. This is actually a very, very good house. It's all concrete. It's very high end. I mean, it's not the metal construction with sheetrock that you have in most cases. This is concrete block, ground floor and second floor. So it's really, really solid. And you know, we have the same rules as California as per earthquakes. So this is built to the standards of California. Okay, we're done with this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom ocean view house. This was amazing. So now I want to show you the guardhouse and the gate, see how they are going. 5-bedroom, 4-bedroom right here. They both share this beautiful entrance right here. This is it. This is the guardhouse. It's about halfway done. And then right in front of it, it's gonna be the gate. This right here is gonna be beautifully landscaped, and there's gonna be a statue on top of it. And it's gonna show how luxurious this community is gonna be. This is the site of the next 2. This one and this one up there. And look at the view from here. one of the most amazing thing about this is this mountain view, but also we have another ocean view over there. And you see this is Tortuga Beach, and over there we probably don't see it on the video, but it's by an island, and the sunset are gonna be right there. This is where the next house is gonna be, and as soon as they break ground, we're gonna list it available for sale. In this development, it is gated, it's gonna be a guard. They are designing a pickleball court as well that's gonna be available to everybody in this community to play. There's so many beautiful ocean view lots right here. So there's gonna be 1, 2, 3 houses here, 4, 5. It's gonna be an amazing community. You see the ridge continues that way, but then it goes down and you see it right there. All of this is gonna be developed. This is only 2-minute drive on a gravel road from the main road to get this amazing community. You don't have to go 20 minutes, 25 minutes up a gravel road, a very steep road to get to the top where you can get some views. This has all the views you need, the security you need, and the proximity as well. The houses are hitting the market right now. If you want more information on them or on the gated community, if you want more details about it, please contact me directly. My information is going to be on the screen and on the description below. So until next video, take care. Pura vida.